So a couple of my friends asked me to put a video together on how I make my handmade bows or ribbons for gifts and etc. Okay, to get started, you're going to need a pair of scissors and ribbon, preferably mesh with a wire on the sides. This one has wire here and on this side as well. You're also going to need this type of ribbon. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it usually comes in a spool like this, and it's really sturdy. And you want to make sure that it is, because sometimes if it's really old, it gets pretty brittle. And you're going to need this to tie this ribbon in the middle and hold it. You'll see when we get to that. So let's start off with making a little loop that's enough to fit your finger through. And this is going to be the center of the ribbon. So I'm going to roll this up a couple of times. Just a little bit, like halfway. Fit my finger through. And you can make it bigger too. Actually, let me make that bigger. Just so it's easier when you're done to fit this through. Okay, now pay attention to the design. For this one example, for example, the design's on the bottom, and that's what you want, because we're going to twist it in the middle here. You see now the design's on top. This is going to be hard because you have to make sure you have enough space. Okay. And we're going to bend that. You want it short. Then we're going to work our way up, make it longer. Twist that right here. Make it the same length on the other side. Twist that again. And then just keep doing that. And every time you add a new layer on the other side, make it a little bit longer. There you go. And twist. And then just keep doing that. And you want to make at least 5 on each side. You see how that's... I just leave like a little centimeter right there. And twist. The trick is here is really not to let go. If you let go, then you're going to have to start all over again. Do it again. Twist. Twist. So depending on how big your gift is, it's kind of how wide you want to make your ribbon. Let's say that's how wide I want to do it. And I want to add maybe 2 more the same length, because when you spread it out, you don't want it too long, and you'll see. Yeah, that's good. My fingers. It's actually a lot easier to make this when you don't have a camera in front of you. I'm struggling here for some reason. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just want to do one more. Same size, pretty much. Twist. Same length. Here. And then I'm going to hold this right here. Then I'm going to cut it. This one you don't have to twist. Just let that hang. Make sure everything is together. And then you're going to take this, and that loop where your finger is, and you're going to insert it all the way through. See? Take that, and you're going to tie it really tight. You really want to make sure it's tight, because then you're going to be moving it around when you're done. So, double knots. Perfect. Just like that. Now you would usually I would get a box and wrap it around with this and then tie it on the top. Okay, here's my box and the ribbon that we made. We're going to take this one end and slide it through the middle, and then we're going to tie it. Make sure it's tight, and we're going to cut off the excess. Now just move that up a little, where it's in the middle, where it's standing up. And then what we're going to do is put your finger through the middle, and then put your finger through the next one, and then just twist it. Not really this one so much. And then just fan it out like that. There's one down there. And then just make sure it's open and not flat or crushed. Perfect. Now we're going to do that on the next side. Grab the first one, grab the second one, and then the third and the fourth. And the fifth and the sixth, and then the last two. And then just fan it out. And same thing. And we'll just play around with it. And make sure the middle isn't crushed. Open that up. Bend it. And there you go. There's a handmade ribbon. You see it.